to interview and to know how people can benefit, interact,
and have a harmful effects on animals.
And this is Amazing World of Animalia!
Kingdom of Animalia. Kingdom of Animalia, specifically animals, are multicellular eukaryotic organisms of the kingdom Animalia, or also called metazoa. All animals are motile, meaning they can move spontaneously and independently at some point of their lives. Their body plan eventually becomes fixed as they develop, although some undergo a process of metamorphosis later on in their lives. All animals are heterotrophs. They must ingest other organisms or their products for sustenance. Most known animals phyla appeared into fossil record as during the species during the Cambrian explosion, about 542 million years ago. Animals are divided into various subgroups, some of which are vertebrates, such as birds, mammals, reptiles, fish, and amphibians, and invertebrates, such as mollusks, arthropods, annelids, sponge, and jellyfish.
Here is the Macarosaurids Plaza to interview people on what are their favorite animals. Come join. What is your favorite animal? Well, it is dog. Animal mo ate? Favorite animal? Dog, cat, cat? Bakit gusto mo ng pusa? Kasi mahilig ka matulog?
Animal cells are characterized by their lack of rigid cell wall, exhibited by fungi and plants. Instead, animal cells are held together by structural proteins such as collagen. All animals, except for the sponges, are made up of cells organized into tissues that are specialized for some function. As a result, most animals are capable of complex behavioral responses and rapid movement.
Most animals are diploid, meaning they have two copies of all genetic information for most of their life cycle. Most animals are reproduced sexually with differentiated sex cells. These cells, large, non-motile eggs and small, motile sperm, fuse to form a new diploid individual called a zygote. The zygote undergoes a series of cell divisions, called cleavage, to form a hollow, multicellular ball known as a blastula. The blastula then folds in on itself to form a gastrula, a double-walled structure with an opening to the outside called the blastopore. Some animals, including all mammals, develop and mature directly into adults, but the development of most animals includes larval stage. Larvae are immature forms that are morphologically distinct from adults. The process of metamorphosis transforms larvae into their adult form. A familiar example is the metamorphosis of a cat.
Is an ecological or environmental area that is inhabited by a particular species of an animal, plant, or the other types of organisms. A place where our living things lives and lives happily. It is a place where it can find shelter, protection, and means of reproduction. It is the natural environment in which an organism lives, or the physical environment that surrounds the species range. Some examples of this are fishes in the sea, water in the environment, and mammals.
Benefits of the human-animal bond. The human-animal bond is a mutually beneficial and dynamic relationship between people and animals that positively influences the health and well-being of both. While many of us intuitively understand the benefits of positive interactions with animals in our lives, an emerging body of research is recognizing the impact the human-animal bond can have on individual and community health.
dog therapy, or having 30 minutes talking and playing with your pets can extend your life and can prevent you from stress-related diseases. Animals can be a source of injury. Animals with sharp pointed teeth can tear and flesh that cause too much bleeding. Animals with sharp claws can scratch and tear a person's skin. Animals with sharp horn can pierce a person's body. Animals with strong legs can kick hard and break a bone. Some animals are carriers of diseases, such as mosquito can carry malaria and dengue viruses. Flies can bring typhoid and other intestinal infections. Pigs, swine can bring worms that can infect our body, particularly in intestines. Dogs or cats can carry parasites that can cause scabies as contagious skin disease. They are also carrier of virus called rabies. Rats can carry leptospirosis found in their urine.
To end this, we just like to thank some websites: Wikipedia, Biology Reference, Pet Partners, and SlideShare for having the information. We would like to thank Mr. Barcelon for having this opportunity to have this documentary that will sure be an instrument and to be an educational video to help you to better understand the topic of animalia.
Bye.
Thank you!